Welcome to another Mini-Man production. Today we take on a landscape job. We remove the sod from the area and clean up and level the area out. The homeowner is going to place a nice rock to zero-scape this section. Join us as we tackle another project and enjoy some tips on operating and safety factors. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Have some questions? Leave us a comment or send an email to mini-man-excavator@outlook.com. As you can see, we already removed most of the grass. There was just the edges to clean up. The area is quite tight, so extra attention needs to be a priority, especially during rotation. As well, there are many obstacles such as the metal fence and the trailer and truck. homeowner came out to lend a helping hand. I now have to concentrate and keep eyes in the back of my head to know where he is at all times. He also had a couple trees removed, so the area needs roots removed and leveled out. The thumb on the Ripa R10 is especially useful in grabbing and pulling the roots from the ground. Be careful, as dirt and/or rocks can fly around. Remember to always drop the plow blade for added stability. As I stated in previous videos, stability and center of gravity are especially important with these smaller excavators. Notice how I put my hands/arms out when a person is approaching the excavator. The reason for this is showing the person that your hands are off the controls and no sudden movements will be made. communication is key. Here, we discuss the depth. The homeowner would like just a bit more material taken out. After a little bit of cleanup, we were done the first part of this project. The homeowner will have us back once he has had the rock he prefers delivered. Thank you for joining us on this project. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, smash that like button. Do you need a project of yours to come to life? Leave us your thoughts in the comments section or send us a quick note to the email in the description below. We can make it happen. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.